We must have a plan, it must be deliberate, and it must be practical.
Lazima tuchukue ushuru.
For the government, it is a headlong plunge.
Hatuwezi kufanya guesswork.
But multiple voices are up in arms.
Sasa mnataka tena nirudi kotini? Bwana Omutata.
Amid the noise, where is the clarity?
Siwezi chukia kukaa life poa.
Nyinyi hamuelewi hii maneno.
This Wednesday, the Royal Media Services presents The Big Conversation. Airs on Citizen TV, Ramogi TV, Inoro TV, Radio, Citizen and Hot 96, starting 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. From government to tax experts and border riders, it is a stakeholders forum like no other on The Big Conversation, live from 7 p.m. Wednesday, June 2023.